Hello and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm very happy and thrilled about my last signal on the gold. It has indeed reversed from the given price of the buy at 2757, and as you can see, hit the take profit level. The interesting thing is our original take profit level was at 2800, but we reduced it to be at 2784, which already has been hidden 2 times. Not only that, even the edge of the safe zone was actually like this at 2745. But here on Telegram, I actually have told my followers to please change the edge of the safe zone from 2745 to 2740. The reason is 2745 is actually Fibonacci 23.6, and that actually have a high chance of a bearish reversal. So as you can see, this is the reason I'm telling you, my friends, you have got to join our free channel of Telegram to receive these updates. So as a result, we changed the signal from this. If I would have kept it like this, it would actually have been a failure one. But thankfully, changing it to be like this at 2740 has indeed paid off, and the signal was a winner one. So again, my friends, here's our Telegram channel, and here's the link, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video to make things easier for you. So again, it was a winner week for Xtreme Trader followers. Now what's next with the gold? Now first of all, let's now delete the old signal and see what we can do next with this pair. Now, of course, it's the beginning of February, so therefore you have got to move now to the monthly chart. Now, here is the interesting thing is, I would like to show you the current price action of the candle of January. It was a bullish engulfing candle, as we can see right here. And actually, if we just follow the last 4 months, we can notice that January has indeed made here a bullish breakout from the resistance trend line created by actually October, November and December candles. So that means that the gold most likely, sadly, surprisingly, is going to continue the rise. Of course, due to the recent actions of Mr. Trump and his assistant, Mr. Elon Musk, I believe that now things are not really as excited and thrilled as it was before. Trump is not really, in my opinion, doing well so far. So therefore, that's actually affecting the dollar. So I believe now most likely the gold is still going to continue the rise. Now, the interesting thing here is the price action of January candle. Look at that. When you see a bullish breakout candle consists of small tail at the bottom and longer tail at, longer wick at the top, that means that most likely the next candle will remain bullish as well. Let's take few examples from the history and see how did this work. For example, here we can see a bullish breakout candle from this level of a resistance. Here we can see, of course, a small tail at the bottom and longer wick at the top, and the next monthly candle was indeed another bullish month. We can see another example here, the same candle price, the price action, same price action, and the next candle was indeed blue candle. Keep going. We just need more confirmations and more examples that this really indeed works well. Another bullish breakout candle from this level of a resistance, and the next candle was blue candle as well. The last example we can take here, let me just see another one if I can find any. I'm just need to zoom out maybe. Just look for any bullish breakout candle here, and another one. We can see here another bullish breakout candle from this level of a resistance with the same price action, and as we can see, the next candle was blue as well. So that's enough of examples. As we can see right now, we can expect most likely from the gold to continue the rise, judging from the current price action of the monthly chart. Now let's move to the weekly chart. So my friends, let me just tell you, our style here in Xtreme Trader is always to look at the bigger time frames, just such as monthly, sometimes weekly, daily, to confirm the direction of the market if it's going to be bullish or bearish. After confirming the direction of these big time frames, we will switch to the smaller time frames such as 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame to find the decent entry. And here is the magic begins, because we need to use the Fibonacci, support and resistance, price actions, you name it, to find the entries. So first of all, let's now continue identifying the direction, and let's now move to the weekly candle. So now here's the weekly chart shows me actually that we had here of course a support, a trend line, and here also a triangle that indeed recently has been broken out from. So meaning the gold has already abandoned that structure. Not only that, of course, but also right here, which is really more important, is here exactly. We can notice that we had a resistance at 2727. And the market just recently, actually last week, retested the same level of a resistance that became here a support. Also, that means that the gold most likely again is going to continue the rise. So again, weekly chart confirms also a bullish movement. Let's now move to the daily chart. Now here on daily chart, we would like to confirm if the gold indeed going to continue the rise. Now we need to seek the help of the magic of trend lines. First of all, let's now here draw a support trend line from the key level of a support trend line right here all the way right here to the whole channel, just like that. And by the way, my friends, I have actually explained all of that in a video on my channel called The Magic of Trend Lines. Now what we will do simply is just simply drag the same line that we have just drawn here and just simply place it right on the next level of a key support trend line, which lies exactly right here, which also became here a resistance trend line, ignoring of course the fake breakouts. And as you can see recently, this was a resistance trend line as well before finally we had here the bullish breakout candle. So again, based on daily chart, most likely the gold will actually respect the same level of a real support trend line. So again, monthly, weekly, daily chart confirms a bullish continuation. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame to find our entry. So from the first perspective, or actually from the first view, we can consider to buy the gold actually from here at the nearest level of a broken resistance at 2765. But that's going to be far from happening. I mean, the gold is just like around over 300 pips far away from that. Where exactly we can buy the gold? The answer lies, of course, on the Fibonacci retracement. So let's now draw the Fibonacci from the list, from the late or recent structure that we have right now, all the way right here to the market, to the highest level actually the market has reversed from. Now as you can see here, actually the Fibonacci 50 showing us actually a better entry exactly right here at the peak of the level of a nearest level of a resistance to that bullish breakout candle at 2772. That might actually be a good level to start buying the gold, considering that it will actually retest the broken level of a resistance. Not only that, but also here we have a support trend line. And as we can see right now, that seems actually logic. It makes sense because the gold actually respecting so far that same level of a support trend line. So if it's going to continue the fall, it will not only retest the broken level of a resistance, but also respect hopefully the same level of a support trend line. Now the fun part will be about the target, because right now we determined to buy at 2772, and our safe zone this time, I will not do the same mistake of the last video. I will make it way below 61.8, which means our safe zone will be ranging till 2745 for 182 pips. Let's now talk about the take profit level. That will be the fun part. Now we need to apply again Fibonacci retracement, but this way in a different way. Actually, another video I have explained the magic of Fibonacci. So as we can see right here, we have a recent structure that recently has just been broken out from. So what we will do right now is simply draw the Fibonacci from the high of this structure to the bottom of this structure. Convenient? Maybe not yet. However, that tells us that the gold actually has a chance to continue the rise all the way till Fibonacci 261.8. But of course, we will not do that. I prefer to just simply select 161.8 as of our take profit level, which was of course the highest level of the gold where it has ever reached to. So I'm totally aware that this signal might be a little bit disturbing because the gold is just very near to the take profit level, and we have to wait for it to reach our entry at the resistance. So we have then to wait for it to rise again all the way. So I know it's annoying, but this is really our best scenario possible, and this is the best signal that we can provide. So therefore, let me just write it here for you quickly. Buy from 2772, and take profit level will be at the highest level that the gold has ever reached to till 2817. Wow, these numbers are crazy. I never imagined in my life that I would write 2817, and maybe soon I will write 3000 as well. So again, my friends, we are targeting around 450 pips of profit and the safe zone ranging for around 180 pips. And again, please don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I might tell you even to adjust the entry or reduce the safe zone or reduce even the take profit level to secure the profits. So again, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.